Hello everyone. So today I'm going to try to explain how to use the essential oil extraction kit through this PowerPoint. And so we are specifically going to use the SNX 100A oil extraction kit. So for the supplies, you will need a microwave. You will need the essential oil extraction kit, specifically the SNX 100A. You will also need fresh or rehydrated plant material of your choice, and you will need water. So before we get started, I provided a list of materials that are included in the essential oil kit. And so the numbers on the far left indicate the quantity or the amount of each item. So for example, there is one upper cone shield and 6 ice molds included in the kit. And so the list goes on of the items that are included in the kit. And you can pause the video and make sure that you have all of these items. So let's get started with the instructions. So step 1, you have to make sure that you wash all of your materials before you use them. And after you wash them, you can begin to assemble the ice core and mold sheets. And the picture on the right shows an assembled ice core and mold sheet. So you can see what it should look like. And then after that, you want to fill up the ice mold with about 230 milliliters of spring or filtered drinking water. And after you filled it up, you can place the mold in the freezer for 24 hours to allow the ice to form. And so next, you can put about 50 to 200 grams of fresh or rehydrated plant material in the big container. And after that, you can place the lower shield or the brown cylinder in the middle of the bigger container as shown in the image. And so next you can place the 250 milliliter beaker provided into the lower shield. And so once you do that, you can place the upper shield to rest on the rim of the glass container. And the upper shield is uh, the brown bowl-shaped piece that's shown in the second image. So after 24 hours, you can remove your ice from the freezer and you can allow it to thaw for 30 minutes. You can slowly remove the ice core from the mold by holding onto the screw, and you can secure the ice core by screwing it onto the knob of the lid. And here's a picture of what ice will look like. So once you shut the container, you can place the silicone provided on the turntable inside of the microwave, and then you can place the SNX container into the microwave. After that, you can fill up the mug provided with 3/4 of water and place it next to the container. And you can let the microwave run for about 6 to 8 minutes. So after it's done, you can remove it from the microwave with caution because it may be hot. And you can let it sit for 15 minutes before opening. So after you can remove the upper shield and the beaker from the container. And then you can grab your 50 milliliter flask and carefully pour the liquid from the beaker into the flask. And so you will see how the oil will float to the top of the neck of the flask, which will make it easier to remove. So now you can use the pipette that's provided in the kit to carefully withdraw the oil from the flask. And you can store the essential oil by filling up the vials provided with the oil. So other than that, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can contact the Sustainability Club at CSUDH Sustainability1@gmail.com. Thank you.